everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make glass beads bracelet with charms. So let's just show you how I make my bracelets. Let's get started. So let's take out the beads. Now I'm going to open this kit like this and take out these purple and blue glass beads and put them in this plate. Here I just take out 10 of these, and because this is a charm bracelet, I'm going to be using these winged charms. Let's take them out. I actually only needed 4 of these charms, and now our work with this kit is done. So let's close it. And now I'm going to be using this pearl kit. So I'm going to be using these silver pearls. Let's take them out. So here I have taken out 10 of these pearls, and now I'm going to close the kit. Now I'm going to be using 4 of these jump rings, and now I'm going to be opening each of these jump rings and adding the charms inside them and then close them. Now let's just start adding them into stretch wire. Start by adding a charm, then add a glass bead. After that, add a pearl. In this bracelet, we are using charms as dividers. So you can add a charm after 4, 5, 6 or 7 beads depending on your size. Making bracelet is always relaxing. The reason I turn off the sound is because of the traffic. We are almost there. By the way, you should also try making bracelets. It is such a fun and a creative hobby that you can also try at home. After this, I will make a pink bracelet. So stick with me till the end to see how these bracelets turned out. And also, if you're new to my channel, you can hit that subscribe button and give this video a like and share this to a friend. We are all done now, so let's go ahead and tie this bracelet. This is how I tie my bracelets. Tie it once, then make a double tie and then pull hard, and then make a few more ties to complete the bracelet. While I was tying it, I didn't expect it to break, and I have to do everything all over again. This is the do-over. was hard to tie because my stretch wire was short. It's finally done. Let's cut the extras. This is the bracelet that I just made. I really love it. It's really simple and beautiful. Let's make another. Here I have 4 glass beads, 3 more, and 3 more. Here are 2 charms and 2 more. Here I'm adding the same pearls. So this is the same quantity as the one of the bracelet I've shown you before. So this is the same quantity as the bracelet that I've just made. Here I have another stretch wire, so let's just start adding the beads into the stretch wire. Honestly, I really like glass beads and pearls. If you want, you can tell me in the comments which beads are your favorite, whether you like clay beads, seed beads, or pearls. Also, I wanted to start making art content and show you all the paintings and drawings I have made. I hope I will be able to make more long videos, more content, and more new creations for you guys. And thank you so much for subscribing and watching my channel. That always helps me a lot. And also tell me in the comments if you prefer painting or coloring. Let's just add a few more and then we're done. Let's just tie it up. This bracelet really looks like the one I've made before, the one for Twilight Sparkle inspired bracelet. And if you haven't, you can go to my channel and watch that video. It is seriously so hard to tie. My hands are wet and they are slipping off the stretch wire. Weather update. It is October, which is basically fall season, but you know what? It actually feels like summer. Like if you go outside, you will be sweating and you can't stay in the balcony for more than, I don't know, 15 minutes. And our second bracelet of the day is also done, so let's cut off the extras. And here is our second bracelet. Let's cut this a little closer. Yeah, and here is our second bracelet for today. Wow, it actually turned out so beautiful. I loved it. So what do you think about it? Tell me in the comments. And also, which one is your favorite? Do tell me in the comments down below. And of course, if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.